Hi everyone! Today we're going to focus on optimizing video questions in your surveys for different devices. Specifically, I'll be showing you how to ensure your library video questions are responsive. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your video questions adapt seamlessly to any user's device.
First of all, we will need to add a meta info question right here. This is invisible to respondents, but we need it to collect important data on the device the respondents are using. In another block, which I've already prepared, we'll be adding a text graphic question right here. Let's name it mobile video. And with our rich content editor, we will be adding media. And we'll be selecting a file from our library. And in this case, I already have a video in my library. We'll be inserting it. And as you can see, it's very big and not fit for mobile, but we can do a quick edit with the HTML view. And let's give it a height of, let's say 330, why not? And the width can be, let's make it very narrow, good for mobiles, okay. Now we are sure this will fit on a mobile. It is a bit drastic. And now on display logic, we'll be selecting device type is mobile, but we'll need to make a lot of logics here because it's not just mobile that's available. It's also all of these mobile devices. So watch me quickly add all of them. And notice that I'm going to be using the OR operand because I am not limiting the mobile device type. They might be using a mobile or a BlackBerry and so on and so forth. Yep. Great. So we ensure that everything is correct. Here it's always or and is. Great, now we can save. For our desktop video question, let's just make a copy. We rename it. In HTML view, we are going to change the height. So we can make it, for example, 1080, and the width here can be 1000, why not? These are all very random values. You can make them as you wish later on. In display question, now we have to edit. And how are we going to edit the logic? Well, first of all, we want to make sure that we will put is not everywhere. And instead of or, we're going to be using the and operand. Great. Now, we can go ahead and test. So let us publish. And let us test. Right now it will recognize that I am on a desktop device. So I will see the desktop video correctly. But what if I want to pretend I'm on a mobile? Well, to test this on our laptops, we're going to inspect. There's a little button here, which we do want to enable, as this will allow us to change the dimension. So now let us reload our anonymous link.